In the last video, we showed you how to create a form, and we set up a quick basic job board where people could post jobs, and then we could approve them by ticking whether or not something was published, whether or not the job post got published to the website, and then we created a website where those jobs could be listed. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use workflows to be able to create an approval queue or something similar. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our home and we're going to go to workflows. We're going to define a new workflow and we're going to call this approval queue. We're going to click confirm. And we're going to add one column, which is application received. Actually, we'll call it awaiting approval. We're going to click confirm. And we're going to add another column over here, and we're going to call this publish to website. You're going to click confirm. And just at the bottom of this, we also are going to add a different step down here called unpublish from website. So we're going to click confirm here, and we'll see we've got a awaiting approval column, and then we have another column with two options in it, publish to website and unpublish from website. So what we want to do is go back to our form. We're going to edit our form, and we're going to go to automation, and we're going to choose workflows. And every time a new form is submitted, we're going to make it be added to our approval queue workflow just by this. And we can also add filters so that it only gets added if someone ticks a certain box or fills in certain input in the form. But for now, we're just going to say add to the workflow and hit save. And now if we go to our form and we write a job post, whoops, I put a comma in there. I'm going to call this Tim's Hardware Store. We'll give General Manager as the position. We'll hit submit. If we go back to our workflows over here and click our approval queue, just hit refresh here, we'll see that now we've got a new job form. And that job form over here we can see has not been set to go to the website. And what we want to do is when we drag this over to the publish to website, we want it to be published to the website, and when we drag it to unpublished, we want it to be unpublished. So we're going to tap the three little dots next to this step and click edit step. And on the entry phase, we're going to add an entry function, which is going to be update to published. And here we're going to choose the action as modify item data. And the types of items that are going to be dropped in here are new job forms, so we're going to select that. And then we're going to tick the fields that we want to alter. So these are the two ones we want to alter, and we want to set those to true and hit save. And then down here on the unpublished step, when it comes into here, we want to do the same thing, except we're going to unpublish from the site. So we'll change to modify item data, and we will do the same thing here. Except when we tick to edit these fields, we're not going to turn them on, we're going to turn them off, like that. So now, if we have a look at this over here, this new job form, it isn't on the website. So if we go and have a look at over here, it's not there. If we drag it over to publish to website, when it gets dropped into this step, we'll then see it appear on the website. There it is, Tim's Hardware Store. And if we drag it into unpublished from website, and we refresh over here, it's now going to be removed from the store.